Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohols. The preparation of alcohol from the reduction of carbonyl compounds. The reduction of carbonyl compounds such as aldehydes and ketones with the lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of solvents like a tetrahydrofuran THF, the tetrahydrofuran followed by hydrolysis gives alcohol. So we can prepare alcohol from carbonyl compounds. The reduction of aldehydes and ketone with lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of solvents like a tetrahydrofuran followed by hydrolysis gives alcohol. Here this lithium aluminum hydride does not reduce carbon-carbon double bond present in the unsaturated carbonyl compounds. This lithium aluminum hydride does not reduce carbon-carbon double bond. So it is a best reagent to prepare unsaturated alcohol. This lithium aluminum hydride is a best reagent to prepare unsaturated alcohols. Here, first of all, let us understand what is carbonyl compound. The organic compound containing C double bond O is called a carbonyl compounds. Okay. For example, the aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and esters, these are the carbonyl compounds. R, C, double bond O, H. This is aldehyde. Then R, C, double bond O, then R. This is a ketone. R, C, double bond O, OH. This is the acids, carboxylic acids. Then R, C, double bond O, OR. Okay. This is aldehyde. Aldehyde. This is a ketone. This is the carboxylic acids. This is ester. This all organic compound having C double bond O group. So it is called carbonyl compounds. Here the reduction of carbonyl compound using lithium aluminum hydride, it gives alcohols. It gives alcohols. Now let us take acetone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So what is a reduction? Generally the addition of hydrogen is a reduction. Addition of hydrogen is a reduction. Here we are taking this acetone. In the presence of lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis, it gives the alcohol. Here the addition of two hydrogens. Okay, the addition of two hydrogen, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen from here, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen. So in the addition of two hydrogen, the double bond oxygen becomes single bond, or we can say the conversion of double bond oxygen to single bond oxygen is also called reductions. It gives CH3, CH, OH, then CH3, CH3, CH, this OH, this CH3. So the name of this compound is propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. Because this is 1, 2, 3. So number of carbon 3. The parent hydrocarbon is propane. Here OH group is present at the second carbon. So we can say propane 2-ol. So whenever we reduce the aldehydes, if you reduce the aldehyde, it gives primary alcohols. When we reduce the aldehyde, it gives primary alcohols. When you reduce ketone, it gives secondary alcohols. When you reduce acids, carboxylic acids and esters, it gives primary alcohol, 2 moles of primary alcohols. Okay, you keep in mind. Okay, so if you take the ketone acetone, it is reduced using lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis in the presence of solvent like a tetrahydrofuran. This THF is tetrahydrofuran. It gives alcohol. It is a secondary alcohol. It is a propane 2-ol is a secondary alcohol because it has a CHOH. CHOH is a secondary alcohols. So if you take benzoic acids, C6H5 COOH, it is reduced with the help of lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. It gives, here we can write this C6H5 C double bond O, then here OH. Okay, this is benzoic acid. This is the benzoic acid. Here the addition of hydrogen takes place. Here C6H5 COH, then 1H here, then OH. This is a gem diols. Here 2 hydroxyl group attached with the same carbon, so it is called gem diols. It is a highly unstable. Here one water molecules goes out, it gives aldehydes. These aldehydes again reduced gives alcohols. This is a gem diols because 2 hydroxyl group attached with the same carbon. It is a gem diol. It is highly unstable. One water molecule is eliminated here. It gives aldehyde. This aldehyde again reduced to give alcohol, primary alcohol. For balancing the valency of carbon, the proton added from the water, it gives benzyl alcohol. C6H5 CH2OH. It is called a benzyl alcohol, or we can say phenyl. This is a phenyl group. This is a methyl group. So we can say phenyl methanol, or benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol common name, phenyl methanol is a IUPAC name. So do you understand, student? If we take the benzoic acid, it is reduced with the lithium aluminum hydride. Here it gives the gem diols. It is a highly unstable. It loses water molecule, gives aldehyde C6H5CHO. Then this aldehyde again reduced to gives benzyl alcohol. benzyl alcohol. I hope you understand, student. Here we are taking the esters. Esters also carbonyl compound. CH3, C double bond O, then O, CH2, CH3. How do I get esters? It is the reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol. It gives ester. This type of reaction is called esterifications. Esterifications. Here we are taking this. The name of this compound is ethyl ethanoate. This is the alkyl alkoxonate. This is a ethyl ethanoate. IUPAC name is ethyl ethanoate. The common name is ethyl acetate. This is ethyl group, this is acetate group. We can say ethyl acetate. IUPAC name is ethyl ethanoate. For naming the esters, it is called as a alkyl alkoxonate. Alkyl alkoxonate. This is ethyl ethanoate. Here the esters undergo reduction reaction using lithium aluminum hydride, followed by hydrolysis. It gives 2 moles of ethanols. Okay, 2 moles of ethanol. Here the cleavage taking place here. The addition of hydrogen taking here. Okay, one hydrogen. Here one hydrogen. Here one hydrogen. For balancing the valency of carbon, one hydrogen also added from the water. It gives 2 moles of. Here one hydrogen from one proton from water molecules. It gives 2 moles of ethanol, 2 moles of CH3, CH2, OH, 2 moles of ethanols. Now let us take unsaturated aldehydes. For example, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO. It is reduced using lithium aluminum hydride, followed by hydrolysis. Here addition of hydrogen takes place. It gives here 2 hydrogens added here. It gives CH3, CH double bond, CH. Here one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. It gives CH2OH. This name of this compound is crotonaldehyde. Or we can say but2-enol. This aldehyde. Here this is the crotyl alcohol, or we can say but2-enol. Here this lithium aluminum hydride does not reduce the carbon-carbon double bond. It does not reduce the carbon-carbon double bond. It is a best reagent for preparation of unsaturated alcohol. If any organic compound containing more than one functional group if any organic compound containing more than one functional group, for this compound we use sodium borohydride as a reducing agent. It reduces only the active carbonyl groups. For example, for any organic compound containing R, C, double bond O, CH2, CH2, COOH. Here this organic compound containing one carboxylic group, one ketone group. Okay, so the same organic compound containing two functional groups. If you use sodium borohydride, sodium NaBH4, sodium borohydride followed by hydrolysis. This sodium borohydride reduces the active carbonyl group only. Active carbonyl group only. It gives R, C, H, OH, then CH2, CH2, COOH. Okay. For any organic compound containing two functional groups, for this purpose we using less vigorous reducing agent sodium borohydride. It reduces only the more reactive group. For this organic compound containing carbonyl group as well as carboxylic acid group, this sodium borohydride reduces only the more active keto group, not a carboxylic acid group. It gives or CHOH, CH2, CH2, COH. So name of this compound is 4-alkyl 4-hydroxy. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-alkyl 4-hydroxy butanoic acids. Noic acids. Okay. So if any organic compound containing more than one functional group, okay, for that time we are using less vigorous sodium borohydride for reducing the more reactive group. Okay, student. So we can prepare alcohol from reduction of carbonyl compounds, from reduction of aldehydes, it gives the primary alcohol. Reduction of ketone, it gives secondary alcohol. Reduction of carboxylic acids and esters, it gives primary alcohols, 2 moles of primary alcohols. Thank you, students. I hope you understand the preparation of alcohol from reduction of carbonyl compounds. Here we are using the lithium aluminum hydride. It is a best reducing agent for preparation of unsaturated alcohol. It does not reduce carbon-carbon double bond. It does not reduce carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand. Thank you, student.